Hello everyone. In this lecture, we talk about sequence and series. Many of you may have heard the story of the famous mathematician Gauss. When he was in primary school, he found the method of getting the sum from 1 to 100. Here's how it works. Gauss found that 1 plus 100 is 101, 2 plus 99 is 101, 3 plus 98 is 101 as well. So how many 101 is there? 100 divided by 2. There are 50 pairs of 101. 101 times 50 is 50, 50. That's a very famous story. Here we have the idea of arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is that the difference between one term and the next term is a constant. In other words, we just add the same value each time. So here you can see each time is a plus 3. This is an arithmetic sequence. For arithmetic sequence, we can get the sum of them by using the method of Gauss. Same idea. You can see in this example, 1 plus 22 is 23. 2 plus 19 is 4 plus 19 is also 23. 23, 23. So 23 times 8 divided by 2. That is 92. Okay, let's see the use of arithmetic sequence in those questions. This is 2017 problem 5. Let's pause the video and take a look. Okay, let's see this question. So the base is a arithmetic sequence, and we can get the sum by 1 plus 8 times 8 divided by 2. That is 36. So the base, we have 36. And now we can cancel 36, 6, 6. It's canceled. So the top leave with 20 times 7 times 8. That is 140 times 8. You will get 1120. Okay, yeah, that's a simple one. Let's see the next one. This is 2018 problem 5. Let's pause the video. Okay, let's take a look. So at the beginning, you might think, okay, I can just use arithmetic sequence. First, find the sum of the previous, and then minus the sum of everything here. Um, yeah, this way you can do this and get the answer. But probably you can use an easier way, say, okay, we can do 3 minus 2 is 1, and 5 minus 4 is also 1, until 2019 minus 2018, that is 1. Okay, so everything is 1. From 1 to 2019, how many numbers are there? So we know that it's gonna be 2020 divided by 2. We will have 1010 numbers. Okay. Of course, you can use the arithmetic to find the sum, but this one, there's an easy way to do it. Okay, let's see another one. This is 2016 problem 8. Let's pause the video. Yeah, this one is an interesting one. You can use the same method, right? Here it's 2 and a 2 and a 2 and a 2. How many 2 we have? You can see here 96, 100, 92. So that means every 4 number you will have a 2. So 100 divided by 4 is 25. You will have 25 of 2. So 2 times 25 is 50. That will be our answer. This one, I think you need to think carefully, otherwise you might get the wrong answer. Okay? This is a very interesting one. I think after we finish this one, we will have a deeper understanding of arithmetic sequence. Let's pause the video and take a careful look. Okay, let's come back. So here it explained what is arithmetic sequence. That is adding a constant number. For those who do not understand what an arithmetic sequence is, okay? And here, every row and each row and each column is a arithmetic sequence with 5 terms. We are looking for what is x. It seems we may need to fill out all the numbers, okay? So let's see here. This is, let's use D to represent the difference. So 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D. It's like 1 plus 4D is equal to 25. Here we use algebra and let's solve this. So D is equal to 4D is 24, so D is 6. So now we get 7, 13, and 19. We can use the same method to solve this row. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 17 plus 4D is 81. Here D is 4D is 64. D is 16. So this is gonna be 33, 49, 65. Okay, lastly, we can use this column to solve for x. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 13 plus 4D is 49. So 4D is 36, D is 9. Okay, so now we find 22, 31, 40. Okay, so x is 31. This is like a number game, and we're using arithmetic sequence to get the answer. So sometimes you might see words like consecutive numbers. Consecutive is the same meaning of continuous. So it's actually continuous whole numbers such as 3, 4, 5, 6. And you might also see expression like consecutive even numbers. That is even number that is continuous, like 4, 6, 8, 10. And the consecutive odd number are even numbers that are continuous. Let's see a question here. This is 2016 problem 19. Let's pause the video and see it. Okay, welcome back. This one is definitely a part B question. It said the sum of 25 consecutive even integer. So we have consecutive, some consecutive number, even integer. The sum of them is 10,000. What's the largest of these 25 consecutive integer? So the property of consecutive integer, say even integer, say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the middle number will be the average of all the number. So for example, here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The total will be 6, the middle number, times how many numbers? So actually the first sentence tells us 25 times the middle number will be 10,000. So we can find the middle number is 10,000 over 25. That is 400. So that means we first get the middle number is 400. And we are looking for what's the largest. The largest, we know 400 is supposed to be the 13th. So there are 12 numbers on the left and 12 numbers on the right. 400 is 13th. And we are looking for the 25th number. 25th number. Okay. So we need to go to plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 by how many times? Plus 2 by 12 times. So 12 times 2 is 24. 24 plus 400, 424 will be our answer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next lecture.